Hi, I'm Ivelina. My presentations plugins unit is mostly for not so much for developers because it represents some plugins that you maybe know. So I hope that it will be interesting anyway. More about me. I'm originally from Bulgaria. I work as a WordPress developer. I also love yoga and taking photos. But the main thing, I really like WordPress. And my talk today is how you can create amazing site with WordPress only with plugins. I also prepared a demo site to show you how these plugins can be implemented. What you can like for WordPress, the huge amount of themes and plugins, the great community, and it's free as we know. Some examples of amazing WordPress sites. This is for social WordPress site. It's made with BuddyPress. The Rolling Stones one. It's really nice. Also on WordPress. And one more important example, WordPress NASA user guide. So what we need for one regular business website. Mostly interesting homepage to attract our visitors, maybe for portfolio or gallery to show our projects or photos, something like this. Translations, contact form, other forms maybe to know the opinion of our clients, and maybe some custom post types to represent our products with their specifications, maybe price, maybe dates when they will expire or something like that. We also need something for caching and fast loading, SEO, correct URLs, and social media compatibility. So let's take a look how we can create a WordPress site like this, only with plugins, as I said. For the portfolio or gallery, I really like NextGen. It's really good because you can teach your customers how to use it. You can upload photos, you can put them watermarks to prevent some stealing. You have a lot of related plugins with some JavaScript code in them, and you can implement the gallery by different ways. Some examples of the options. They're really nice out, and you can teach or just learn yourself how to use it pretty easy. This is one of the examples of add-on plugins for NextGen Gallery. Newsrider, it's a pretty famous JS rider. I've used it for my homepage here. Also NextGen Scroll Gallery. It's a JavaScript scroll gallery. You can implement here your portfolio or something like that. About the translations, there's not a very good solution for WordPress actually, because there are some problems with everything. But there are some problems with everything. We know that. There are people that waste time for making a different website for each language to avoid these problems. But there are some options. Qtranslate, it's free, but it's good only for small projects, for business sites where you just have static pages and you don't want to do anything else like widget translations or custom menu translations, because you just can't do this. The pay-to-win one WPML, it's really better. You can translate strings, taxonomies, it's compatible with a lot of themes and plugins. Like example, you can translate titles and description in next-gen plugin if you need this. But yeah, it's better option, but not the best one. For contact form, contact form 7, I really like it. It's pretty easy to use it because you can create different field types. They can be required or not, and it generates automatic shortcut. You just have to implement it in a page where you want to display the contact form. For other types of forms, gravity forms, it's paid, as you maybe know, but it's really good because it's really easy to create different types of forms. You have advanced fields like data, numeric fields, email, you have capture field, and you can just implement any form that you've created with button in the Dimension editor, so it's pretty good for this. Social media, as you know, Facebook developed a plugin to help WordPress community. It's pretty good. You can relate pretty much everything with your WordPress site. You can send to Facebook your posts. You can post to a specific Facebook profile. Also Twitter, there are a lot of Twitter clients. They can count tweets, or they can post automatic your blog posts when you create them. Add this script, maybe you know it. It's a pretty nice script. You can implement it as a widget or just in your theme. It implements almost every social media that I've heard, and it's pretty easy to use also. Custom post types, when you want to represent your products or something like this. Types and views. Types is free, views is paid, but both of them you can create almost anything like a custom post type, because you can create custom post types with related custom fields and related custom taxonomies with types, and then to make views about them and implement it in pages or posts or widgets where you want. Next, for some recently added posts or featured image, you can choose between a lot of plugins. In my experience, I've used Easy Rotator. It's not that good because you have to install application on your own computer to use it. But actually, when you need it, you can have a slider with your recent posts by category, by custom post type, with their descriptions or excerpt or title, whatever you want. And the recent post slider, I think that you can't pick a custom post type here if you had a lot of custom post types, but it's good too. Home page. Second. Yeah, that's my demo. I've tried to make an example travel agency website. As you can see, I have a menu. This is the default theme. I have slider. I have some portfolio items, they are represented also as a widget. I have my recent news as widget and represented on the home page. So I also have translations in English, Norwegian, and I know what I speak Dutch. So let's move. What else? This is mostly for Bulgarian users. I'm from Bulgaria, as I said. We have problems with Cyrillic alphabet, because when you don't use plugin for this, the result is something like this. And it's not good. You can't use links for almost anything. So yeah, this plugin Kirtulat, it solves this problem only, not only for the post that you post after you install the plugin, it also repairs the post before that. Next, for cache, I like W3 Total Cache. There are a lot of opinion here. Why I think that it's better, because you can cache things in database too, not only the HTML pages, and it offers a lot of other features, compatibility with shared hosting, VPS, and many other options. Why the speed matter? You can see this statistic, how even the biggest sites in the world use traffic even for a millisecond delay. Next, SEO. WordPress SEO by Yoast. It's pretty famous. It offers page analysis, RSS optimization. It has a lot of options. It's not so easy to set up, but even with the default options, it can be really useful. So let's take a look at the demo again. As I thought, besides the homepage, I have also have a gallery with the places that this travel agency wants to offer. I have offers that can be with their data and return date, price, and something like that. I have.
So that's a plugin too, right?
What?
The offers is a plugin too.
Yeah, it's view types and views plugin. There are two plugins. One is for creative custom post types, and the second one is how do you want to visualize them on your website. Both you can create a really more amazing things with them both. I have forum created Gravity forums. You can input here your specification, your specific desires for vacation if you want. I have news and contact form. They're pretty regular. So for advanced plugins, I'll just mention this. WooCommerce. We all know that there's no best solution for online shop, but WooCommerce has a lot of offer products, bundles. You can make a coupons, different, and you have a really different payment gateways, invoices, and so on. One really similar is digital downloads, is for selling of digital products. You have really plenty of payment gateways here, and it's really easy to sell these digital products with this plugin. MailChimp, it's a good solution for online campaigns. You can create mail listings for online marketing. With this, you can create different templates, and you can really easily check your statics and results of your campaign.
And you can also use MailPress or MailChimp along with Gravity Forms. They're connected together as well. So.
Yeah. WordPress as I showed in the beginning, there are a lot of big sites created with BodyPress. It's a social network for WordPress. You have a lot of good options here, like activity, something like a wall. In Facebook, custom profile options, groups, messaging, and so on. This is developers social net group create with BodyPress. It's really interesting if someone wants to check it. And that's it. Any questions?
Could you just show the back end with the plugins so we can just get the list of the different plugins you used? Right, can you do that?
Yeah, I'll try to do this.
Okay.
The truth is that I usually use Linux, but it's not compatible with the projector here, and I'll try. Maybe I can show this later.
Yeah, I was just thinking for the camera too, so just gonna film it, but you can just skip it. That's
Yeah, okay.
That's fine.
Because yeah.
You mentioned it, that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, can you say which plugins are doing what on the screen? The slider there, what's that? Which plugin is making that slider?
The plugin is made with a Nivo slider for Nivo slider.
Niveo slider.
Yeah, it's compatible with NextGen Gallery, and you have to install both of them. So when you have both of the plugins, you just have to pick a gallery, a specific gallery. You can have 10 or more than them, and you have to specify the gallery you want to show in slider, and that's everything.
Yeah.
Anything else? No?
Does that sidebar plugin work as a main feature slider as well? Once you have two plugins added to your site, can you
Which
have
one?
Yeah, well, like on the front page, on the index page, you had a slider as well.
Yeah.
Are these same sliders, but in one's a sidebar slider and one's a main index slider, or?
No, they're different if you mean the big slider here and the little one
Are
in
they
the
both
sidebar.
next gen?
No, this one in the sidebar, it shows recently added news, and it's made with recently added plugins. I specified that I want to show the category news there, just to attract visitors maybe. Yeah, so they're different, but it can be done by different ways. Depends. Yes? No? Okay. Thank you.